Understanding Timeless Recipe, an English Language Journey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, timeless recipe. This expression is rich in meaning and cultural significance, and it's a great example of how language can encapsulate more than just literal meanings. Let's unravel the layers behind this phrase together. The term, timeless recipe, is a compound expression, combining timeless, which means something that never becomes outdated or loses its value, and recipe, which refers to a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish. So, a timeless recipe refers to a cooking method or dish that remains popular and cherished, regardless of passing trends or time. Timeless recipes often hold a special place in cultures and families. They are more than just food. They represent tradition, heritage, and the passing of knowledge from one generation to the next. They connect us to our past and often evoke nostalgia and emotional warmth. Let's look at some examples from around the world. A timeless recipe could be something like Italian pizza, Chinese dumplings, or Indian curry. These dishes have transcended their original cultural boundaries and are loved globally, maintaining their essence over decades or even centuries. Interestingly, timeless recipe can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it could refer to a formula or strategy that remains effective over time. For instance, hard work and dedication is a timeless recipe for success. Here, the phrase is used to describe a universal truth or principle. Thank you for joining me in exploring the meaning and significance of timeless recipe. It's a beautiful example of how language and culture intertwine, creating expressions that are much more than the sum of their parts. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep exploring the wonders of the English language. And I'll see you in the next video.